To connect to the 4G LTE Wi-Fi, all you have to do is select the OnStar icon from the IntelliLink home screen. Now say Wi-Fi settings.
Wi-Fi settings. Please see the owner's manual for information about your Wi-Fi hotspot settings.
You'll notice the hotspot ID and also the password. From your phone, select Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi hotspot listed. And now enter the password. Once your Wi-Fi device is connected to the 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, you'll be able to surf the web, watch videos, media, and more.